Snacky snack time. Oh. Yeah. All right. How many of you use your 3D printer on a daily basis? Printing things, having fun with the 3D printer. You know, you don't have to design every single thing yourself. Move this out of the way. A box. There's something I made. You don't have to print something every day, but I encourage it. You ever go to Maker World? Yeah. And print something fun for yourself? Or look for something specific? I do. I'm not saying you have to do it every day, but it is fun. If you got the printer and you got the filament, you should do it. Today we're going to do a chip clip. And pick one of these out. Ooh, that looks new. Mini bag clip. I've printed out small ones before. They get a little too small. I would say this one's my favorite. It works well. It opens wide. Print the big one. Don't print the small ones if you got a big bag of potato chips to close like we do. Bread clips are cool. Alligator clips, dinosaur clips are great. Let's try a new one. See what happens. Ooh, that's a good one. Whoa. Let's see what we got here. Something different than I've done before. Curvy cam lock. Those are good. These are all really good chip clips. I'm going to try this thing by Bernd. Clip by Bernd. It just looks elegant. It looks simple. Put it on a bag. Print it out and put it on a bag. Now, you can definitely go to the store and buy chip clips. But look at this. We're right here. Let's do it. Look at some of the pictures, some of the ratings. I think that'll be good enough for a potato chip bag. All you got to do is click open in Bamboo Studio. It imports it. I got an update coming. I'm not going to do that right now. You know, I don't know what size that is. I do now. Let's say it's 25 millimeters long. You know what? That's about that big. Let's double this. Let's do at least, let's try 150 size. Yeah, let's try one of those. We have to resync our filament. We'll discard some of this information. I think it came in from the designer on how to print it. They got speed changes, strength changes. I get it, I get it. Quality. We're going to try one first. Let's try it. Do it blue, white, gray, orange. Blue is fine. We're going to slice that. Only 15 minutes. You know what I am going to do though? I'm going to add a support. I know my plate. I know my luck. We'll do the outer brim. We'll do a little more than 5. Let's do a weird number, 9. Now let's slice that one. Hopefully that thing won't slide around. we'll print that and come back and see how it does. My favorite thing, hyperlapse. And just like that, we're done. Less than 10 minutes. Let's head upstairs. Cool. That worked just perfectly. Give that a couple of folds. Push that chip clip on there. And it's stored. No stale potato chips. Not in this house. Okay, love you, bye.